In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams for a meeting. Whether you're using it for professional purposes or personal gatherings, Microsoft Teams offers a seamless way to connect virtually. First things first, let's make sure you have Microsoft Teams installed on your device. If you haven't done so yet, go to the Microsoft Teams website and download the app that's compatible with your operating system. Once that's installed, open the application and sign in with your credentials. If you're joining a meeting organized by someone else, you might have received an email or a calendar invitation. Simply click on the link provided, and it should take you directly into the meeting. Now, if you're the one organizing the meeting, let's go through the setup process. Start by opening the Teams app and look for the calendar icon on the left sidebar. Here, you'll find the option to schedule a new meeting. Click on New Meeting, and you'll be prompted to fill in some details such as the title, date, time, and location. Don't forget to include a brief agenda in the description box to keep your participants informed about the meeting's objectives. Once you've filled in these details, add the email addresses of those you want to invite. You can also use the Teams application to select contacts directly if they are part of your organization's directory. After adding participants, click Save, and invitations will be automatically sent to each participant's email. Before the meeting begins, make sure you're comfortable with the audio and video settings. This is crucial for maintaining a professional appearance and ensuring clear communication. You can find these settings by clicking your profile picture, navigating to Settings, and then Devices. Here, make necessary adjustments to your microphone, speakers, and camera. On the day of the meeting, open Teams and navigate to your calendar. Click on the scheduled meeting, and a window will appear with several options. Instead of rushing, take a moment to check if everything appears correctly, then hit Join. You'll be taken to a screen where you can adjust your audio and video settings one last time. Make sure your background, for instance, is tidy, or use the blur feature for added privacy. Once you're all set, click Join Now to enter the virtual meeting room. During the meeting, you can use various features of Microsoft Teams to enhance your experience. For instance, make use of the Raise Hand feature to signal when you wish to speak without interrupting the flow. This can be found in the Meeting Controls toolbar. Similarly, the Chat function allows you to send messages to everyone or just specific individuals, which can be useful for sharing resources or asking questions without disrupting the speaker. Remember, at any point during the meeting, you can share your screen to present documents, slideshows, or any other visual aids. This is done by clicking the Share Content button, making sure to only select the specific application or window you want others to see. To wrap up your meeting effectively, take advantage of the record option if you want to capture the session for those who could not attend. Keep in mind that participants will be notified when recording starts. Finally, when the meeting concludes, don't forget to click Leave to exit the meeting room. If you were the organizer and recording was enabled, make sure you save the file and share it with necessary participants afterward. And there you have it. You're now ready to effectively use Microsoft Teams for your next meeting. Thank you for watching and happy meeting.